morning, guys. Good morning from Farpak. So now I think it's already 6 a.m. in the morning. I got up around 5:15, but yeah, just got out for looking for some birds around our forest rest house. So there is a forest rest house behind me. Maybe you can see the sun is already rise, and as you can heard the bird sounds around me, you can feel the birds. Leso chok clay par thia khan sawa pakhatoma kadla meka. Leso me sapo thotoa. Leso tla la mek tlang azuk kalang kham changin enang nge sathar wal takan mu thayang em. Savate antam heli. Mo? Kuya. Oh, hei tamalom hei, solai sopo hei. Ni jina ka lakha. Hei zilu tua solai fel mina chuan solai tlang po lang buk lo vain chu lang. Tlem a lang ma se. Hei zi ve thau. Halai kham vel. Nó check lo ngai. Sathar vel omang em le. Om chu ka ring chiang lo. You can see this mountain shadow in that mountain. The gigantic Phong Pui Tlang. This is not the actual Tlang. The actual Tlang is the highest point of Blue Mountain Peak. The highest point is around 6 kilometers exactly from here. So we will go there. But on our way, we'll be putting camera traps. I think so some birds. Atlog date mo. So yesterday I think you already have seen the birds I already captured. Maybe I think you like those also. So today we'll see more. So clay par sente oma par var po oma. Camera chu danga. Ram sa safa vel takan zong lokang. Where are you? Oh, come here. Wow, so cute. Rong kan bol tiang. Good morning, Pu. Thing mo. Oh. Nghe kan bolang. Dal. Hidi pelle la mo kasilang. Hello ma'am, chingo ma'am. Cho chingo ma'am. Ala tắm. Kha chu cái mà khăm thôi. Kan rong bol turi thing kan la me ka. No one should pick anything from the park, but it's already burned out. The branches, we are using the burned out branches to make our food. So hana sak meka. See, this is already burned out, as you can see. So this is fine. I have a AK-47 on my shoulder. Yeah. Cho chuan chuang toa. Chuan hi Nutella le kai kwang. Tui luma kan da meka. Kan da toa kina e kang dona. Cho le Nutella le dal tro. Chuan an ngai po cho pai tur hi kan ngai tho. Cho kan chum chewa. So it's already almost 7:30 a.m. right now. So cho chu chum toa ta Nutella le kai kwang kang meka po zo chep chumi na chuan dai lua hang deuh hok turin chumanga tok fiao ang tiang dal poka chuang toa chome chu zo chep to siam zo chep nó khan chinang roi te nge an ti le
ami time bola John a trap for nothing amita delete to ta shim nge khoi ang kal do
My vlog is hacked by Soma.
singa vlog to
Hey, hack to mo? Jinga hack to mo? Chuan hey, kan siam me ka.
bom kan kam don
Pakistan ho do tur kan pe me kan ap lo lo
mai lo kan lo ak ve ang ai si pai chu chi lom lo zo la
Pai Hoai Sen.
si pai hoi sen lo zo
Hoai Sen chumi om ja ka shi do tin.
hoi sen brave
Brave mo.
ati sa ba ka ni
ami
So welcome back again. We are ready to go to the forest. Shwaite, ready? Always ready. So why you are wearing the gloves? You think gloves? A grip. Oh, cha. Nice trick. So boy, any name? Bola. Oh, so Bola is our guide for today. When Shwaidon went to Puchunga Fapania Felkop mai. Nuam do ne went to Mizoram Atlang Sangber Blue Mountain Fangpui Tlang Blue Mountain Peak chu kan thleng do na chu mi thleng ma chuan kan field work. Feanga field work chu we'll search for sign marks like carnivore signs. Then according to the sign, according to the marks, then hey mun digdeun kan zonga mun chadeu camera come tour. For camera trapping we will search the perfect place and then we will set our camera traps there on our way to the Blue Mountain Peak. Oh yeah, hey, kan kalmek. So we are almost at 1 kilometer, and this is the landscape. Kan hunga shwaitea le soma. Ini landscape. Lahi chum lahi moi don chiang. Sangkup này. We are at almost 2,000 meter elevation. So lại sốt lang lang. Sang ber khata no. It's a hey. Nuam devin heta shutlang pon da view enjoy tour. So gram Luna Point. Jiram Luna. Ji noa dot kakamulo. Hello hi. Ing lokha saku nge. Iho. Ava bun về, ava thuk về, ăn liền khóc này.
Saku của sangal mo.
Đâu hay là ăn leng ăn nuôi khi ở giáo về đều lên
Pu càng đua nhỉ?
Nhưng mà lần này là
Mi ăn lứt tôm á?
cái mà như lứt to.
Ihe, anh lâu đâu nhỉ? Ngó, tỷ lâu. Thế là muốn đi ram san kal đón ấy chiang em. Từ rồi, ấy hết lại tắc nỉ lối mà, sao lại lăng cơ? Aslo, không, lại chỗ already disturbed because of the forest fire, so it's just the beginning. So, con chỗ là thui phải thôi. Lại chỗ phong pui càng lại chỗ càng cái này lại rồng rồng dur khắp mày lang chỗ dur vậy thôi lại bọc ham lại muốn chỗ savom ăn lon đủ savom kham tất cả rất thar đẹp bộ. And fast camera trapping hun hipo mala ka camera trapping hun ve thoni thowa guest te win ka chho ve dia chho ve to pa he hi ni hi kan camera trapping ma sabar kha phong puit la chuan ase ta hi bottle ruak khel tam lu tuka he chu kan sha chiang lo bak chu mana phong pui kang wang an control tu han chho lai ta khan yanga an man modern ho nyanga hatan pai ke mai the nya te kan da khom ve ka bottle ho chu nakina garbage ba kan hon turi kan ngai thwa don nya chu dan lai sa tle ma zol ve dewa elevation chu 1869 meter ania kulai pu kong pui kal kong ania pa hi rem da le he thinga khan kan kamanga camera trap chu set lokang. Hello guys, he is trying to say hello. I ring doin soi chuan heta pa lang don tho mai ka khan e signal mon hi. So after 1 kilometer of a fast camera trap, then we got another camera trap location. First I'm gonna check some sign, then I will put the camera trap here. Yeah, like this. There are some signs of digging here also. They are also dig by some birds, because if there are some ground dwelling birds, then there must be the cat species like marble cat, golden cat and clouded leopard, because they love to hunt those ground dwelling birds. Helai chu savom tin khoma ma se alui tol tuk hi nia savom alui tol tuk kha chu hey sign kati kha chu sign survey kati chen ma sadon kati khai it's a cat's cat because it's already turned white, so it's a bit old, very old, but still the activity is here, the proof. And maybe it ate so much of calcium like bones and all, that's why it turned white. And is there any tapering end? Because if there is no tapering end, then it must be the wild dog Chinghia, because dogs, they generally eat the bones, so their scat generally turn into white because of the amount of calcium deposited inside their scat. So I will put my camera trap here because it will cover all over the place, like this area, because this is the trail going there, and as you can see, this is a quite flat area, so it can be, any animal can be come from any direction. So I think this tree is the better one. I can't find the best one, but still it's better. This camera is set to cover this place. Then we'll be heading to the main trail. Phong quỳ lang gần chỗ mét cháu chả rất là sao cháu lúc tục lúa sẽ lum đây lục té cần cho đó kamannya kita ngom encinang kan merekam turun pom cuan kam don ya iyo pu còn đều khó mà nhóm đây không với cái nhá lại cho cởi ra lục cái lần nữa cái cho cởi mấy thầy đang chụp tụi bông về thôi này khăn nghe em về trên không làm sao ekte om em sa thar sa zu ekte om a heta ka kam le don pu cả khăn ek mà mò sắp thar ek vậy lâu châu bể em hay ta chơi em lâu châu rồi lâu châu mẹ hay là xôm cổng nè khá khô lại cứ xoay tay châu mẹ muốn chụp bọn này nhau cái tu chung akan luta mo vain ro tam lutuk satharai kan yan hi anai bek kha ai lo ek pom fe tho mo hey
ani hi
chelai pom tho lo kha carnivore
saza ni lo chon sathara ni
heta pu kan riak chinang karing
abela long bang patan no men
mango tam lo aro ya này lại chú cầm turom lo thi this camera trap We'll be setting here around this area so that it will cover all this book, all this cave area where the mountain goats like the Chinese goral, which is called sathar in Mizo language, and also saza, which is state animal of Mizoram. Then clouded leopard, definitely we are hoping for, we are aiming for. So yeah, let's see, hoping for the best. Camera can come to oh heta camera can come to hey kanom na nia kham lai so pu kan nia lai po puk te te oh lai so kham sang khop mai hu ta train kan chowa chuk le do ne yeah. Yes. Ta chang kham tak ta ni so as the Himalayan black bear. Oh yeah, Himalayan black bear is with us, nothing to worry about, motherfucker. So that place actually made us a bit slow because that place was totally like that, our last camera trapping location. So what? Enghe mua enghe ya bike ni ga kan antitla biker ni guard achar kan chara ni he
ati bau tu zuan
oh
ka contact kan don dang
oh tunge tu tange he hi inti ta chuan swai te a chin contact don ya phung su kwang he hi kan kal na nia tuna so nichina han camera trap mun kha asial dewa kan hua puk lama kan kama chuwang tlem kan lamuang ve dewa tuna so view now đây là trên này chỗ khẩu mà là sao này chỗ đòn là sao kamania hốt ta con kan Himalayan black bear hi right there là chỗ đòn come on bro lấy con cả sông này hi tụi nghe chính nia ek kan mua mà se thì chỗ nào cái nào kan soyang hi tụi nghe nia ngo kan India flag hi tan da he tu lo về chu respect tour kan da change kan da chaloin kan la don tlang che pa khan yes always respect for this flag. So is the dhol chinghya's egg which is also the dhol scat sample we have collected already. Nice, we got finally a fresh sign of carnivore, and which is very rare, which comes under the endangered list in IUCN. So yeah, we are very lucky even to see its cat. So we'll take the sample, we'll collect the sample from here because we have permission from office of Chief Wildlife Warden, so it's fine for our research. It's only used for research.
So now we are cruising at the elevation of 2021 2025 and slang trip 2022 cùng 2022 23 căn chục lửa thôi. Now we'll be at 2025. So hey, we almost crossed 5 kilometers from Farpak and we have reached here a meadow around at 2050 meter elevation. Here is our team, Soma, Shwaitea and Bola. Bye bye Tiro. Let's go. Kan slang trip to kem khát với lên nhang kem khát là chân phải vậy. Đây lâu ta kan chol lo ka. So our final push towards Phong Quýt Lang, Mizoram Lang sang ber. There's a boru. Lai po hi taktakina oxygen kha tlem to slang sang to hey 2059 kan tho po ha. It's thin air, the air is very thin here. In feel vang chu công cho chầu chuan nó sẽ lấy chỗ ăn nuông. So vamos về đằng đây utrok kan hoa nghe chi anh chỉ nghe kan la ngày thua. Mic on lokang mic. So here we are. Shwaitea is going where? Let's see. Where are you going, man? Where are you? Where are we? Here we are. Let's go. Whew.
New achievement.
The view, man. Look at those tiny mountains. Oh, there is a big one. Another, but very far away. Lang sang mấy. Hay là bên peregrine falcon come hoa rồi. Warm lên nha. Point ania. So elevation khachu 2157 meter turania. Sang ni zasom nga pasari. Mase hei GPS location la tu chuan 10 meter vel chu error thei thawa. Kasana chuan hei GPS pathum amang thowa satellite chu chuan 2166 ania kasana chuan chu sai thelo 2166 chuan 10 meter up and down pa mai thei 2156 adik fe tho chuan helai vel mi zongjong local hoka thil in nei nuwa khan hei sarang ti vel te pai reng reng su boitlak helai hi mun pan siam ve tho adul he ta hen hal deila ti zo khan hei he ta hen pa ya kong apokan hu chewa mase mana ina zia to in ti han pai lo la ni mai long lang train kan chuk to hela hi kan kal chin don moni le kal chin don mi hela ya tro ha ai ni lo e camera kam tur mole màu rồi cầm tủ chung hôm lâu ăn chép lúc tục lết làm ăn tìm em du to kin kan chola tuna dar thum le chan ve dar ni le chan ve changin dar ni le minute som pang avel changin dar thum le chan ve thleng kan chol chuan kan chuk meka cái bốc con chuk hi ka du lo zok rồi thì ala e hay tu ăn lọc cái tôm sú à tu na tun trang chu in kal thei don lo monsoon poor season poor awang thì lúa sur hai to me trang in October thleng an khar to lo na so tourist chu an phal to lo anga any researcher hey permission special David forest department pe a an lo mom khop mai cho anh tin thì khá GPS khá GPS
Abi kan ni thung kan bol to lo.
heo need to welcome in bolo our dark secret
Mo za kan tha kan phai.
ke baga sil lo nia ong ong ke ma trap pakhat lau ma kam tur chuan holama kan kam lenga mo Farpak này đều kan kam leng ti ra kan mu kha kan mu kha helai chu Farpak bul kan thleng ma chuan helai kam kha chu kong sira kal hau ve thawa wang buk khwa mi an local pal anh chuan bo palang khalawam abak chu en tur hi duty tur hi kashil fia ve thawa camera trap nge om lo kha karten velan ki thei chuan inen sak donia ti to a chuan video chu top deng chuan next chuan Farpaka teng huna kan lo shil don chenia chuan tu jong chen en vek to dang chu nangai lo kan kein kan chuk char ni me lak chu sai trom lo finally we have reached our base, the Farpak forest rest house. Hey, quite him trepa. So today our field work was around 7 hours 32 minutes. Like dark or sari le chan phe kan field work vain. Phong puitlang thlenga kan thlenga chuan phong puitlanga kan dark or khatwal kan chol nyang. Chuan camera trap kan kam to kan azo ni mai. We will wait for around 2 months to check our camera traps. Then yeah, so today after this we will drink some tea. Then after tea we'll have our dinner. Now is 5:53 p.m. so man một lo. Này cho nó tua kan chuk do na.